Urinary system of vertebrates includes kidney and their ducts, while reproductive system includes male and female goners and their ducts. Kidneys excrete harmful metabolic nitrogenous oils and regulate the composition of body fluids, while reproductive organs perpetuate the species. Thus, kidney and gonad remain functionally unrelated. However, these two systems are interrelated morphologically in vertebrates because the male urinary are also used for discharging gametes. For this reason, it is more convenient to describe the two systems together as the urogenital system. Vertebrate kidneys and ducts. Vertebrate kidneys are pair of compact organs lying dorsal to coelom in trunk region. One on either side of dorsal aorta. They are all built in accordance with a basic pattern. Each kidney is composed of a large number of units called uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Their arrangements differ in number, in complexity, and of vertebrates in different groups of vertebrates. First tubule divides into three parts: peritoneal funnel, tubule, and Malpighian body. Peritoneal funnel near the free end of urinary tubule is funnel-like ciliated structure called peritoneal funnel. Opens into coelom by a wide aperture, the coelomostome or nephrostome, for draining oils into coelomic fluid. Nephrons are confined to embryos and larvae and consider vestiges of a hypothetical primitive kidney. Pigeon body. Tubule begins as blind, cup-like hollow double-walled movement capsule encloses a tuft of blood capillaries called glomerulus. It is supplied blood by a branch of renal artery called efferent glomerular arteriole. An efferent glomerular arteriole emerges out of glomerulus to join the capillary network surrounding the tubule. Bowman's capsule and closed glomerulus together form a renal corpuscle of Malpighian body. Encapsulated glomeruli are termed internal glomeruli, which are common. Those without a capsule and suspended freely in coelomic are called external glomeruli. Capsules without glomeruli termed aglomerular. So there will be the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, but capsules without the glomeruli termed aglomerular. So in coelomic cavity, without a capsule, those without a capsule freely is external, and those who are and glomeruli in the Bowman's capsule is the internal glomeruli. Tubule. Malpighian bodies filters water, salts, and other substances from blood passage through tubules. More substances are secreted into filtrate, while some are reabsorbed. All the tubules of embryonic kidney are convoluted ductules that conduct the final filtrate longitudinal duct, which opens behind into embryonic cloaca. Archinephrons is the name given to the hypothetical primitive kidney of an ancestor vertebrate. It may be regarded as a complete kidney. Holonephron is extended from the entire length of coelom. Its tubules are segmentally arranged, one nephron for each body segment. Each tubule opened by a peritoneal funnel or nephrostome into coelom. Near each nephrostome was suspended in coelom an external glomerulus. All the glomerular tubules are drained by a common longitudinal Wolffian duct opening behind into cloaca. Such a hypothetical archinephros is found today in the larva of certain cyclostomes, but not in any adult vertebrate. It is supposed to have given rise to all the kidneys of later vertebrates during the course of evolution. Modern vertebrates exhibit three different kinds of adult kidneys: pronephros, mesonephros, and metanephros. It is supposed that these represent the sequence or three successive stages of development of the ancestral archinephros. All three never function at the same time. Pronephros is the most simple. In the embryos of all vertebrates, the first kidney tubules appear dorsal to the anterior end of coelom. On other side, these are called pronephros as they are the first to appear. Pronephros is also termed head kidney due to its anterior position immediately behind the head. Protonephrons consist of 3 to 15 tubules segmentally arranged, one opposite each of the anterior mesodermal somates. There are only 3 pronephric tubules in frog embryo, 7 in human embryo, and about a dozen in chick embryo. Each tubule opens into coelom by a funnel on nephrostomy, so projecting into coelom near each tubule and not connected with it as an external naked glomerulus without capsule. In some cases, glomeruli unite to form a single compound glomerulus called glomus. Glomus and tubule become surrounded by a large pronephric chamber derived from pericardial cavity. Originally, each tubule has its individual external aperture, but secondary all tubules open into a common pronephric duct, leading into the embryonic cloaca. Pronephros is functional, if at all, only in embryonic or larval stage. It is mostly transitory and soon replaced by the next stage or mesonephros. However, pronephros is retained throughout life in entire cyclostomes and a few teleost fishes, but is non-urinary and mostly lymphoidal in function.